Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start redeeming rewards with Citi, complete guide step by step clearly. To start redeeming rewards with your Citi account, first, ensure you have an active Citi credit card that offers rewards. Next, log into your Citi online account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of the website. In the rewards section, you will see your available points or cash back. Review the different options for redemption listed there. You may find options such as merchandise, travel, gift cards, or statement credits. Choose the category that interests you the most. If you opt for travel, click on that section to explore your options. You can often book flights, hotels, and car rentals directly through the rewards portal. For merchandise or gift cards, check the catalogs for what is available. Keep in mind any specific point requirements for each redemption option. Once you find what you would like to redeem, click on it to view more details. Confirm that you have enough points for the selected redemption. Then, follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You may need to enter additional information, such as shipping addresses for physical items. After confirming your selection and completing the process, you will receive a confirmation message. The redeemed points will be deducted from your account immediately. For travel redemptions, it may take additional time to receive confirmations or tickets via email. If you face any issues during the redemption process, do not hesitate to contact Citi customer support for assistance. Finally, keep track of your rewards balance regularly to maximize future redemption opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.